water is life, a spiritual journey. In the stillness of the dawn, when the earth is kissed by the first light of day, there is a sacred space where life begins, where water is life and life is water. The world holds its breath as a black woman, a queen, stands at the edge of a sacred river, her body heavy with the promise of new life. The river is ancient, older than the oldest stories, carrying the wisdom of the ancestors in its flowing depths. She is the embodiment of strength, grace, and resilience, her skin glowing with the warmth of the sun that rises to greet her. Her hair, braided with the prayers of generations, cascades down her back, a crown of glory bestowed by the Creator. In her womb, the heartbeat of a new generation pulses, a rhythm as ancient as the stars, as powerful as the waves that crash against the shore. The river sings to her, a lullaby of creation, and she steps into its embrace, feeling the coolness of the water against her skin. The water wraps around her, cradling her like a mother's arms, holding her in the space between the physical and the spiritual. It is here in the water that life begins, that the sacred dance of birth unfolds. Her breath deepens, her body sways with the rhythm of the river, and she is not alone. Beside her stands a black man, a king, her partner, her protector, her equal. His eyes, deep pools of wisdom, reflect the light of the rising sun, and his presence is a pillar of strength, grounding her in the sacred moment. He is the embodiment of love, his hands steady as he supports her, his voice a soothing balm as he whispers words of encouragement, words of love. The water moves with them, around them, through them, connecting them to the earth, to the sky, to the ancestors who watch over them. In this moment, they are not two, but one soul, one heart, one breath. The water is life, and in this life-giving water, a new soul is preparing to enter the world. The woman breathes deeply, her body swaying with the current, and the man holds her close, his hands gentle but strong. Together they move as one, guided by the rhythm of the river, by the wisdom of the water. The air is thick with the scent of earth and water, of life and renewal, and time seems to slow, to stretch, to hold its breath in anticipation. Then, with a final surge, a wave of power and grace, the woman brings forth new life. The child emerges from the water, a perfect being, a reflection of the love that created them. The man reaches out, his hands catching the child, cradling the new life in his arms. He lifts the child to the sky, to the heavens, offering thanks for this sacred gift, for the life that has been entrusted to them. The water laps gently against the woman, washing away the pain, leaving only the joy, the love, the connection. She smiles, her eyes filled with tears of gratitude, of wonder, as she reaches out to take the child from her partner. Together they hold their child, their hands meeting in a circle of love, of life, of water. The river sings a song of life, a song of birth, a song of renewal. The water is life, and in this life-giving water, a new journey begins. The woman, the man, and the child are one, connected by the water, by the love that flows through them, by the life that they have created together. As the sun rises higher in the sky, casting its golden light on the water, the family steps out of the river, their feet sinking into the earth, grounding them in the present moment. The water clings to them, droplets of life that sparkle in the sunlight, a reminder of the sacred journey they have just undertaken. They walk together, the woman, the man, and the child, their steps in sync, their hearts beating as one. The water is life, and they carry that life with them, in their hearts, in their souls, in the new life they hold in their arms. In the stillness of the morning, in the embrace of the river, a new life has begun, a new journey has been set in motion. The water is life, and life is sacred. The water is life, and life is love. The water is life, and in that life, all things are possible.